He's the line.
In that.
I know. I saw them so far.
Oh, you'll have to ask Peter now.
Okay.
And the fellow who
I like them.
What size?
They're asking her. She's too busy talking.
I have 9-year-old. We got 2 9-year-old kids to come and play with you, and they snuck out.
And you're looking good. You're getting good care of it. Get her away. Get her away.
So in fact, I went down taking a class Tuesday evenings here at UND. My brain is moving as far as diary. So I'm thinking maybe I'll try and move into that.
Yeah, she's lady something.
On the side again, or is it for?
We talked about
He's a lawyer.
You've heard that Howard has been. Yeah.
Get into a bigger paper there.
and yeah, well, they won't offer any kind of.
do hate them.
So once you put in a year or two, and the park company is happy because they don't care as long as the paper gets out and advertising dollars offset. So the quality of the paper.